Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday evening, a little after 9 o'clock. Beautiful night. Skies are clear, temperatures are nice, humidity is low, so it's comfortable. More than likely, you don't need the air conditioner for tonight. It's pleasant. As we take a look at the high temps today, seasonably warm. It's topped out in the lower 80s in most locations, upper 70s along the immediate shoreline. Much warmer weather anticipated, though, for Tuesday. We should be well into the 80s. We're thinking mid to upper 80s by Tuesday afternoon. But even though we've got a big warm-up on the way for Tuesday, the humidity is still low. So we're looking at dry and comfortable conditions. So pleasant weather for this evening. The humidity returns a little bit for Wednesday, especially Wednesday night through the end of the week and the weekend. Along with that will come warm temperatures, warmer than average. In fact, better part of this upcoming week, temperatures are going to be running above average, and in some cases, a few days will be borderline hot. As far as the next chance for any scattered showers or thunder, we're thinking more of a Thursday night, Friday morning, and that activity should be scattered. Meanwhile, we take a look at the satellite and radar composites. Skies are clear, some clouds offshore. Here's a wider view. I mean, wow, most of New England is doing fine right now. High pressure over Canada, keeping things dry, keeping the humidity levels low, and that's why we have such a comfortable night. You take a look at heavy downpours. In fact, at one point had a flood emergency in the Washington, D.C. area. So this precipitation, heavy downpours right in here, this will more than likely stay to our south and not impact our weather. In fact, we'll stay dry next several days. And this is courtesy of right in here. We've got high pressure building in from the Great Lakes, keeping things comfortable. And this boundary separating hot and humid air on one side and then warm and dry air on the other. And these storms across the Carolinas will stay away. In fact, the high humidity shaded in darker green, you can see most of that is well off to our south and west. So our dew points are in the upper 50s, and that's pretty comfortable for a July evening. Hour by hour forecast will take you through the overnight. Skies are clear and dry. Here we are tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and we're waking up to sunshine. Temperatures starting off mid and upper 60s. Really a nice day coming up tomorrow, even though it's a lot warmer. I mean, humidity isn't too bad. Mid to upper 80s should do it for high temps. Beaches are looking good. Here we are at about 7 o'clock in the evening with sunshine. Temperatures at that time will be in the lower 70s with a sea breeze at the beaches. But inland areas at 7 o'clock in the evening should still be in the lower 80s. And then later tomorrow evening, Tuesday night, skies are clear. Temps upper 60s to low 70s. So nice for tomorrow morning. Sunny skies and low humidity. Initially at sunrise, temperatures will be in the 60s. And then a rapid warm-up. Pool day for you Tuesday. Jump in. Look at the warm temps. Mid to upper 80s with plenty of sunshine and pleasant conditions. So these temperatures running a bit above average. Strong sunshine at area beaches for your Tuesday. Easy to burn. Grab the sunscreen. Safe sun time running at 15 minutes. Low risk of any significant rip issues. Water temp now in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Meanwhile, Bay forecast has light winds initially in the morning, starting off northwest, then turning kind of locally onshore, south at 5 to 10. Good visibility. Water temp now closing in on 70. High tide Newport Harbor a little after, just before 2:30 in the afternoon. 7-day forecast looking at very warm to at times borderline hot temperatures this week. I mean, well into the 80s, mid to upper 80s. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, near 90 or 90 on Saturday, close to 90 on Sunday. Not a lot of rain there other than a few scattered showers in that Thursday night, kind of Friday morning time frame. So, in fact, speaking of warm temps, I was looking at some of the long-range guidance for the next, not 1 but 2 weeks, the next couple of weeks around here. Temperatures are going to be running above, if not well above average, so summer really kicking in. At least a long-range forecast next 7 to 14 days. That is the latest Weather Now update. I'll be back at, not too long from now, 10 o'clock newscast on Fox Providence, and again at 11 o'clock on WPRI Channel 12. And meteorologist Michelle Muscatello in early on tomorrow morning, starting at 4:30 a.m. with your updated forecast. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.